Hey, and welcome to a new video. Today I will show you 2 simple hacks on how to hide frame names in Figma. So bad news first, there's no official option to actually do this. One thing that we can do though is to change a frame into a group. So whenever you turn a frame into a group, the frame becomes a nested object. And nested objects here on the left don't have any kind of frame names showing. And you can do that for one single frame, or you could also do that for all frames on your workspace here. So if I click group selection, all of the frame names are gone. The same logic that we can use is basically create a giant working frame around everything that we do. So we could say here, this is our working frame and the name will be shown up on top. But if you zoom in and let's quickly change also the color of this one. If we are quickly zooming in, no frame names are shown anymore, and it's easy for us to work with it. So these are the 2 workaround options that you have. There are also some plugins that do the same by just deleting the name of the frames. Some of them are for free, some of them cost a little bit, but I think the grouping one is the easiest option. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Otherwise, see you in the next video.